Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. Yesterday, the US markets moved higher. It was a very steady market. There was no intraday volatility. In fact, the volatility index has come down below 15 in US markets. Today, there's a GDP data. So usually ahead of such a big data, not only the GDP data, also personal consumption expenditure, which is a sort of an inflation data. Ahead of these two big data, usually the volatility will be very high, option premiums will be very high, but today the premiums are very pathetic actually. The premiums are very little. So that shows that the markets are not going to make any big move, probably because of the Christmas holidays. Thursday is a Christmas, so it's a holiday for both India and US. Wednesday, that is tomorrow, it will be early close in US markets, but many other European markets are closed. Many markets are closed Wednesday, Thursday, as well as Friday. So that means, more or less the year has come to their end. And moreover, the people who are active traders, the whole day they spend and 24/7, of course, Saturday, Sunday excluded. These people usually what they do, Christmas comes on Thursday, and then one Saturday, Sunday comes, then after that, New Year holiday comes. So usually these people will close their books and they will go for holiday between 25th December and 1st of January. So they will come back after January 1. And then also, their calendar year is the financial year for them. So it will be, if they close all the trading activities before Christmas, then in the next few days, it will be good, easier for their auditors to audit their books, check the profit and loss balances and everything. So therefore, usually, between Christmas and New Year, the markets used to be trading with very thin volume. So it will be lackluster, right? So if any action, that action will come before the Christmas. So what, that they call it as a Santa Claus rally. But however, the dream run continues. Can you imagine silver shot up 100% in last 1 year? And then gold is also not far behind. So I thought, international markets, the gold will not cross 4,400. So that was a previous high. That high was taken out. And after that, it moved further 1%. And then today, it has moved another 1%. Now it is 2% above the all-time high. So we do not know where it's going to stop. But as and when it's going to stop, so it's going to give some painful stories for the people who are entering at this euphoric level. Asian markets are mostly positive. GIFT Nifty is slightly higher, I think about 30-35 points. But 30-35 points is also considered to be very good because, then there is a hope of, Nifty closing at all-time high by the end of December. So after today, we have 4 more trading sessions, including today there will be 5 trading sessions. And if market closes where it opens, as per GIFT Nifty indication, so the Nifty is likely to close slightly above 26,200. Then it's a matter of 0.25% or 0.5% for all-time high. So the hopes are returning. And Reserve Bank reportedly spent $11 billion to defend Indian currency. I think now the Indian currency is also very, very stable. I think it has already appreciated roughly about 1 rupee 50 paise, from its recent all-time low. So all this going well for market. So moreover, year-end, I do not know if FIs are covering their shorts. They are also buying continuously. So yesterday I did not check whether they were net buyers or not, but that is insignificant sometimes, when the FIs kept on selling, lakhs and crores, but our markets did not fall much. So that's because the domestic institutions keep on pumping in the money. So overall, today Nifty is likely to trade between 26,000 and 26,300. So most of the people, smart people, have sold 26,000 put and 26,300 call. Both are trading around 12 to 15 rupees. So expecting the range bound market today. So stock specific, the previous day, that is on last Friday, what happened in US, this Infosys saga. And still, Infosys closed about 5.5% higher on Friday in US. And yesterday, that entire 5.5% rally got wiped out. So probably today we can expect some kind of a selling in Infosys because Infosys is an index heavyweight. So, that is a stock to watch on the negative side. And positive side, as usual, and the banks, both HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, ADRs are higher. So Bank Nifty, which has been underperforming recently, so may start performing well. So that's stocks to watch on the higher side. Individual stocks, of course, Hindustan Zinc, Hindustan Copper, what else? MCX, BSE, Mazagon Dock. So these are all the stocks which are very, very actively trading and actively moving higher also. So expect a range bound, positive biased market today, and hope for all-time high closing by the end of December. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.